Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is an ECM Technika Rota made in Heidelberg, Germany. It is a beautiful machine. The customer, James, thanks for bringing it in, James, was complaining that this lever would not go all the way down, the position that it's in right now. So it couldn't relieve pressure properly. And it was also very stiff. So we took this mechanism here all apart and we discovered that the machinery inside was a bit worn and there was one too many washers in a particular place. You can see the diagram there that we used to reassemble and determine that there were too many washers. Anyway, so it's up to temperature, it's ready to go, it's very clean. Let's see about pulling a shot. It's cool enough that I didn't need to run water through it, so I'm not going to. It's hard to line everything up with one hand. All right, let's do this. I think this machine is beautiful, and it draws a very nice shot as well. When the lever goes straight down, there's a little pressure relief right there, and as you can see, that's working now, whereas before it was not. But just look at that shot, very pretty. All right, so let's test this. Steam is good and strong, and then water. A lot of water coming out of there. Anyway, James, thank you so much for bringing this machine in. It was a true pleasure to work on. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. And we'll see you in the next one.